Picture this. You're driving, music up, when suddenly, metal crunches. Your car, your trusty companion, is now a crumpled mess. After the shock, your insurance adjuster calls. Your car is a total loss. But what does that really mean? It's not about how bad it looks. It's about money. If repairs cost more than your car's value, insurers call it a total loss. Each state and company has its own formula, but it's all about the numbers. Think of it like a toaster. If fixing it costs more than buying new, you replace it. Insurance companies do the same. Compare repair costs to your car's market value right before the crash. If repairs are higher, they pay you the value and sell the remains for scrap. Your job: make sure you get every dollar you deserve. Let's break down how to make sure their payout is fair, so you can get back on the road without draining your savings. Here's how insurers decide what to pay you. It's all about actual cash value, or ACV. ACV is what your car was worth right before the accident. Make, model, year, mileage, condition. They subtract your deductible from that number. If your ACV is $10,000 and your deductible is $500, you get $9,500. There's also salvage value, what they get for selling your wrecked car for parts. If repairs cost more than the ACV minus salvage value, they total it. The settlement you get is usually ACV minus your deductible. The key? That ACV number. It's negotiable. The first offer isn't final. Don't accept it without checking. Let's talk about how to push for a better number. That first settlement offer? It's just a starting point. Don't accept it right away. Come prepared with proof your car is worth more. Use Kelley Blue Book, NADA, and local listings to find your car's real market value. Gather evidence, print value reports, save ads for similar cars, and collect maintenance records. Present these to the adjuster. Show what it would actually cost to replace your car. Make a clear, polite counteroffer with your documentation. Stay calm and professional. Facts win negotiations, not anger. You're not asking for a favor, you're asking for what's fair. The more evidence you have, the stronger your case. Don't settle for less than your car's true value. What if you owe more on your loan than your car's worth? That's negative equity. Insurance pays the car's value, not your loan balance. Gap insurance covers the difference if you have it. You can also choose to keep your totaled car, but your payout drops by the salvage value. Be warned, a salvage title makes it hard to insure or sell. After an accident, report it fast. The adjuster inspects your car, then you get a settlement offer, usually within a week or two. Negotiation can add time, but once you agree, payment comes quickly. The whole process takes about 2 to 4 weeks if you stay on top of things. Respond quickly, gather your documents, and follow up if things stall. Being proactive speeds up your claim. You're your own best advocate. Don't let the process drag out. Here are my top 3 tips for getting the best settlement. First, document everything. Maintenance, upgrades, and never give a recorded statement right away. Take time to review the facts. Second, ask for the insurer's valuation report. Check for errors, wrong trim, missing features, or undervalued condition. Correcting mistakes can mean more money. Third, know your rights. If you can't agree on value, use the appraisal clause. Bring in independent appraisers to settle the dispute. Check your state's insurance laws for extra leverage. Every detail counts. Don't leave money on the table. Stay organized, be persistent, and don't be afraid to push back. Knowledge is power in these negotiations. With these tips, you'll walk away with a fair deal. Share your questions or stories in the comments. I'd love to help.